You sent your dispute letter. 30 days passed, and the credit bureau either ignored you or said the information was verified, but you know it's wrong. What do you do now? You escalate. And the most powerful free tool you have is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the CFPB. I'll show you exactly how to file a complaint step by step. The CFPB is a federal agency that oversees credit bureaus, banks, and debt collectors. When you file a complaint, the CFPB forwards it directly to the company, and that company is legally required to respond within 15 days. Companies take CFPB complaints much more seriously because the complaints become part of a public database. Step 1. Go to consumerfinance.gov/complaint. Click Start a new complaint. Select Credit Reporting as the product type. Step 2. Describe your issue clearly. Include the account number, the name of the bureau, what you disputed, and what happened. Be factual, not emotional. State exactly what's wrong and what you want corrected. Mention that you previously disputed by certified mail and include the date. Step 3. Attach your supporting documents. Upload a copy of your original dispute letter. Include the certified mail receipt showing they received it and the bureau's response, if any. If they didn't respond within 30 days, state that clearly. Step 4. Submit the complaint and save your confirmation number. The company has 15 days to respond. You can track the status in the CFPB portal. Most of the time, you'll get a much better result than your original dispute, because the company knows the CFPB is watching. The Credit Dispute Kit includes ready-to-use CFPB complaint drafts, so you don't have to write from scratch, plus 90 dispute templates. $27 one-time instant download. Link in the description. Subscribe for more.